Oh, nice. It's open. These are going to be the elevators here at the Lord Baltimore Hotel, Baltimore, Maryland. Got some Otis Series M2 elevators here with very nice cabs and 3-suite doors. Here we are on 19. B. Look at that. Let's get a cab view. Very nice. Very modern. This hotel opened in 1928, according to that. Very nice elevators. Even though I am tired of seeing M2 all the time.
Level.
Look at that. Here's the interlock. Let's go back up to 19. Let's watch the door in action. This particular car does not have a floor passing chime. A little shaky, but I've been on far worse running elevators.
19th floor.
Well, this is the convention level. Let's send that one down. Look at this. Look at this elevator lobby. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a little look around. Casual suite. Okay, so these are like the premium suites here. Wondering if this hotel has any service elevators. Bathrooms. Ah, here they are. Sadly, they're modded too. Yeah, not gonna bother with them. Hold on, what's over here? Oh. It just goes back around. Alright. Let's head back down. See which one we get this time. Kind of remind me a little bit of the Crowne Plaza Niagara Falls for some reason. We got this one. Lower level. Oh, these are open actually. Oh, 3-digit indicator. Interesting. Interesting. Alright. Lower level. let me see something. Oh, you can get a little bit of a view there. Oh, there it goes. Alright, here we go down to LL. Lower level. And you know what, I'm gonna end on the lobby. Watch the button go out. And here we are. It's a gorgeous hotel. Yeah, notice how that's the only one in the bank with the 3-digit indicator. That is interesting, look at that. All the other ones just have only double-digit indicators. Here we're in the lobby. Absolutely gorgeous architecture. Love that chandelier. There's a piano. Well, that's gonna be it.